Hello, I'm Dr. Zacco, and I'm here with a wonderful patient that's agreed to be part of our educational video to show you what it's like to go through the whole process of hair transplantation. She has worn locks for about 16 years, and it's given her traction alopecia. And so she's going to have a hair transplantation in this area, follicular units to cover this area. And how do you feel about the process so far?
So far, pretty good. I'm really excited about going through this process.
Okay, very good.
Something that I'm looking forward to.
Good, good. And she had a consultation with us, with Melissa and I, and then she met with us for Markings Day prior yesterday to go through the marking process, and she got, it was quite a process. We agreed on everything. We made it perfect for the both of us. And I was a little more particular than her, I think, but at any rate, now here we are today for the hair transplantation. Do you feel nervous?
I think I'm not as nervous as I probably would have been. No. Of course, Dr. Z is a great doctor, so of course he makes me feel very comfortable. So
very good. And so we're going to start the process, and we'll keep you in touch. Back again with our fantastic patient who just had a hair transplant 5 minutes ago. And as you can see here, we did the temples, we did the sideburns, and of course the hairline. We created a new heart-shaped hairline that she didn't have before. Before it just kind of went straight across like that further back. But we created a heart-shaped hairline. And how was it?
it was spectacular. It was pain-free. I felt nothing. I was very comfortable. No kind of discomfort.
But you were nervous in the beginning, weren't you?
Just a little, just a little, but I'm absolutely pleased 5 minutes after.
Very good, very good. Glad to hear that. So there you go. We'll keep you informed. All right, our patient is back this morning. She had a hair transplant yesterday, and it was 2015 grafts. And as you can see here, it looks absolutely fantastic. And tell us about, and turn this way a little bit, just so you can see we did her temples, the hairline, temples, and a little bit of her sideburns. And look this way for me, both sides. You notice we gave her, turn around this way, and then you notice we gave her a little bit of a heart-shaped, which we all agreed on, we thought would be fantastic. A little bit, it's called a heart-shaped hairline. And she said she had no discomfort last night, right?
None whatsoever.
Very good. Not even a little.
Not even a little.
Okay. Very good.
Peacefully.
And how was the procedure yesterday?
It was unbelievable. I thought that it would have had some discomfort, but it didn't. It was, most of it I slept through. When I was awake, I felt no pain, no discomfort. I could interact, watch television, had lunch, of course, which is bonus. It was spectacular.
What did we have for lunch?
Again. We had chicken and rice and corn, and I loved it.
All right, there you go. Okay, so here we are after she's coming in for the suture removal today, and it's post-op day 10 for suture removal, and everything went perfect. And she's here for suture removal, and then we'll show you after the suture removal. We're going to have her look down for you, and you can see here, we did the front here, and you can see the temples. We did the temples there, and if you could turn this way. And this is a heart-shaped hairline, so you can see here it's heart-shaped. They call it a heart-shaped hairline. We did the temples. And we'll have her turn all the way back around, and you can see, even as short as her hair is, you cannot see the sutures, or so with the hair a little bit longer you definitely wouldn't, but with this way, the suture's right in here, and so it's very hard to see. There's even a suture knot right here that you can't see. I don't think so, but there it is there. And you probably can't see this one either, but maybe a little bit. And this is this is pretty short hair, so. All right. All right. So here's our wonderful patient again. The sutures have been removed, and as you can see here, the hairline there. And can you turn around the back? And so the sutures have been removed now. As you can see here, that's where they are. That's where they were, right here. They came around here, and they ended here. And so as you can see, she had the largest hair transplant possible. As you can see, we never go in front of the ear because that's where the arteries are. So we never go in front of the ear. And you can look down a little bit. So even with the real short hair, you really can't see hardly anything, even with short hair. So with long hair, you definitely wouldn't see anything. All right, thank you very much. We appreciate it.
You're most welcome. I love it.
So tell us about the procedure so far.
So far, it's fabulous. The process was real easy. I think the most difficult part was spraying every 20 minutes, just to make sure that there was no scalping or scabbing.
The saline solution.
The saline solution. Painless. It was just so easy, and the result for me is just excellent. Absolutely loves it.